Alright guys, we are back, and we are in Chris's Cooler 731's 97 Cobra with a Coyote swap. Now when he bought this car, the original Cobra motor was done. Somebody's done spun some bearings in it, destroyed the motor, and he decided the best route was to drop a Coyote in it. So we have a Gen 1 Coyote with the T45 transmission, which I don't think it's gonna last very long. However, it's been holding up just fine, and we just got through putting a oversized aluminum radiator in it with some dual fans. Nice setup. Go check out Cooler 731's channel for that video. Check out the fan and radiator combo he put in the car. However, he offered for me to take it down the road. I haven't driven the car yet, and I've been wanting to ever since he finally got it tuned by Wengerd Performance. Now, Wengerd Performance, Daryl is the one who tunes my cars. Does a phenomenal job. He also does a lot of tuning for Dover. If you watch Foxcast Media, Dover does a lot of Coyote swaps and Fox bodies, and he handles a lot of the tuning for them also. So I'm extremely excited to see what this car does. I've been in the car with him driving it, but I haven't got to drive it yet myself. So that's what we're gonna do now. So, we gotta get some gas.
Yeah. You go down, I say go downtown, go to
What
the
do you prefer? Shell?
Yep.
She's got 14 gears, so she likes to get. I short shifted and she still popped.
Uh-huh.
That was some fun. This is gonna make me want one. I swear to God, this is gonna make me want one so bad. I love my S550, guys, and I don't plan on getting rid of it, but I tell you what, I love a damn Fox body, SN95, and a New Edge. Something about those cars that I absolutely love, and I really want a SN95. That's what I really want. And he's got a Coyote swap in this, and to me, it's just perfect. Can't imagine this thing with a T56 Magnum and a blower sitting on top of this engine. It'd be ridiculous. Nasty. God, I miss a manual, man. I miss it. God, you don't realize how much you missed a manual until you get back in one and drive it, and you're just like, oh my Lord. Don't get me wrong, I love the 10-speed on the drag strip. I really do. But for like driving and having fun, there is nothing like a manual. I don't give it. I don't care. I don't care. Something about the connection, you know, you just feel a lot more connected with the car. All right, so we are back. We got some fuel in the car and got a little bit of fuel for ourselves. No, I'm not sponsored by Mountain Dew. I would love to be, but I'm not. It's not gonna happen. That's fine with me. But anyway, I do love me some Mountain Dew. So anyway, guys, we are just been driving the car around for a little bit, trying to get a feel for it, and I absolutely love the car. Man, T45 shifts great. I'm not gonna lie, I almost left my pedal on the floor when I shifted, and I catch myself at the last minute.
Yeah, well, like I said, the rev limits on this is set low. Daryl's got it set at 7,300 just because it still has truck cams in it.
Yes.
Now, if it had Mustang cams, he said he would have opened up like 76, 77.
Okay. So we got. What you're saying is we got to put Mustang cams in it.
Eventually.
All right. Man, she hooked good that time. I'm gonna end up with a damn manual car now.
Oh yeah.
I miss it, man. Yes, I'm like a kid. All right, for those of you that have not seen this car yet, it is a Gen 1 truck engine with a Boss 302 intake manifold. What else is done to it? What?
Long tube headers, 3-inch X, 3-inch exhaust, oil pump gears, crank sprocket from Boundary, stock 14 GT injectors, Walbro 255 pump, air motive regulator. It's basic.
Pretty simple setup.
And then the 100mm universal cold air kit. Like I said, it's very basic.
If you get a 96 up GT, Cobra, whatever, yes. I mean, you already got all the stuff in there. You already got the hydro boost set up for the power steering. You got all the stuff in there. Whereas if you get a Fox body, you kind of got to go through and buy all that stuff. You get a 96 up Mustang, and then you got all that stuff. And the SN95s, a lot of people don't like them.
I love them.
And I don't know why. And honestly, I think the reason I like them so much is because as I was growing up, I was born in 1980, so I grew up with the Fox bodies. When I was a kid, that's what was there. I can remember going to a Ford dealership and seeing a 93 GT sitting on the showroom floor and just, you know, love that car. But then the 94s came out. I started, got my permit when I was 15 in 95, got my license when I was 16. So these cars were brand new when I started really driving. And I just would really love these cars. And I think that's why I have a big love for the SN95 cars. Don't know why a lot of people don't. The body lines, everything just looks great to me. But guys, just driving this car, driving a manual again, has really got me wanting something like this.
As some of y'all know, Ford TAKEOVER's coming out. This is going in the dyno shootout for NA. I know I ain't going to win nothing, but as of right now, I'm placing friendly bets between a few of us. What do you think it's going to put down within, give a 10 horsepower range, what do you think it's going to put down at the back tire?
Okay, so I'm going to get these guys in on this too.
All right.
I'm going to get these, of course, not in on bet, but anyway, I'm going to get you guys in on the guessing game. This will be dynoed at Ford TAKEOVER. Yep. You will see the video of it on the dyno there, and we will release the horsepower numbers then. But what do you think it's going to make? What year truck motor?
It's a 14.
So it's a 14 truck motor, Boss 302 intake manifold, long tube headers, Daryl's tune, 93 octane, not E85. Although before Ford TAKEOVER, I'm going to get him on E85.
The bad thing is I've already been talking with Daryl about it. I just got to save up the money to get injectors. And we can do it. We
might be able to make something happen there. Anyway, guys, hopefully we have it on. So leave a comment down below what you think this car is going to put down. Depending if he can get injectors or not by Ford TAKEOVER, this thing might be on E85 by Ford TAKEOVER. If not, it'll be on 93. So drop me a comment down below. Let me know. What do you think it's going to make on 93? What do you think it's going to make on E85? He is going to get it painted, guys. This is under construction. He did what I would do. He got the engine and everything mechanically sound, and now he's going to worry about the paint. But I told him it's kind of a good sleeper, because somebody pulls up beside this, they're not going to expect it to be as quick as it is. But check this out, guys. These are European taillights.
Yes.
You got these from Europe?
Actually, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long did you wait for these things?
2 months.
2 months. We got them in. Check it out. Amber. I mean, that's pretty cool, guys. But yeah, I cannot wait. And you got to get that tint. We have a guy.
I know. I've already talked to him. It's probably going to go up there next week for a couple days. Let him attempt to start.
That's going to look good. Then once we get the paint on, this thing is going to be And he's got pretty much brand new interior in the car. I mean, it looks really good. But yeah, I mean, guys, let me know down in the comments what you think. But before we go, check this out. I haven't really put this on camera any since I've got these wheels. These are 20-inch replica wheels I picked up from Andrew. He had them on his car, and he said something about changing out, getting another set of wheels, and I told him I'd buy these off of him. I believe these are Vox. I'll get a thing from him. I'll put a link down in the comments. But one thing about it, the factory center caps fit great. They look just like the performance pack wheels, except they're 20s. And one good thing about it is in the back, we've got 305s back here now. I don't know if you can see. We got some wide babies back here now. That's the whole reason I got rid of the Performance Pack 19s. I really couldn't fit 305 without it being bulged a lot. And when he had these 20s, they looked so good on his car. He said something about it, so I went ahead and picked them up. I mean, pretty much brand new tires. And man, the wheels look, I love the look of these. When I got rid of the 19 inches, I really regretted it.
I noticed it was
And
like a few minutes with you.
yeah, I really regretted it when I got rid of them. So when he said something about selling these 20s, and man, I'm a big fan of these wheels.
I'm not a big fan about cleaning them.
Oh yeah, he cleaned the car up, guys. Big shout out to Chris. What was it, last week?
Yeah, the photo shoot was last Sunday.
Last week, the car was actually in a little photo shoot, but let me tell you, man, these wheels with the GT 350 spoiler, I mean, just well, GT 350, GT 500, but you know what I mean. Man, they just set the car off.
They do.
Anyway, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. As always, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.